Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
Currently, our phone has a problem of low sound from the handset and speaker, and the materials needed to clean it are oil solvent and acne blackhead cleaner silicone hose.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
We try our phone by making a call, and we bring the handset of our phone closer to the microphone of our recording device and compare it before and after. We are talking on our phone right now, and we bring it closer to the microphone part of our recording device. And it sounds like your voice is hoarse.
Hello. 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 Hello.
In order to soften the dirt, we spray the speaker, handset, and microphone parts with very little degreaser, which we can easily find in the market. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. Depending on usage, our phones may collect dust from the speaker, microphone and handset pores and block these areas. Even if it looks very clean, the dirt that will come out has always surprised us.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
We squeeze our degreaser very slightly onto the handset of our phone, and we can do the same for the speaker. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution.
We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well. The brand of our device can be Samsung, Lenovo, Apple, Mi, Honor, HP, Huawei, Reader or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all.
Depending on usage, our phones may collect dust from the speaker, microphone and handset pores and block these areas. Even if it looks very clean, the dirt that will come out has always surprised us. We squeeze our degreaser very slightly onto the handset of our phone, and we can do the same for the speaker. Now our dirt has softened and we will clean the dirt in this area with our blackhead cleaning device. Vacuuming a few times is enough. You see how the inside of our silicone pipe got dirty. This is not quite visible in our repair video, but you should see how the dirt and foam in our other repair videos is vacuumed up into our silicone hose. These is not quite visible in our repair video, but you should see how the dirt and foam in our other.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
You see the dirt coming out of our silicone pipe that we cleaned earlier. This dirt and dust reduces our sound quality and volume.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. In order to soften the dirt, we spray the speaker, handset, and microphone parts with very little degreaser, which we can easily find in the market. Now, with our acne and blackhead cleaner device, we can vacuum and remove the soft dirt in the pores. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help. In order to soften the dirt, we spray the speaker, handset, and microphone parts with very little degreaser, which we can easily find in the market. Now, with our acne and blackhead cleaner device, we can vacuum and remove the soft dirt in the pores. Now, with our acne and blackhead cleaner device, we can vacuum and remove the soft dirt in the pores. We try our phone by making a call and we bring the handset of our phone closer to the microphone of our recording device and compare it before and after. We are talking on our phone right now, and we bring it closer to the microphone part of our recording device. And it sounds like your voice is hoarse.
Alo. 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 Alo.
We are talking on our phone right now, and we bring it closer to the microphone part of our recording device. And the sound seems loud and very high quality.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply.
The sound from our device is now very high in quality. Our transaction was successful. A welcome development.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.